Hi friends, welcome to Gourmet World. This is Adeline. Today I am going to show you how to make boiled potato fry. And for this I have taken 2 potatoes and I have peeled the skin, and in the pressure cooker add some water and place these potatoes. Now I am going to pressure cooker it for 4 whistles. After boiling the potatoes, with the clean hands you just crush it. Like this, not too much, just to make medium size pieces. Now I'm gonna grind 3 green chilli and few cumin seeds to make coarse paste. And heat a pan on medium flame, then add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now add half tablespoon of cumin seeds, mustard seeds and chana dal. Add half chopped onion and cook it for 2 minutes. Add few curry leaves. Then add our green chilli paste. Mix it and cook it for 2 more minutes. Then add our boiled potato. Mix it. You can add some salt and turmeric powder. Mix it. And cook it for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of grated coconut and few garlic. Mix it. Your delicious boiled potato fry is ready, and you can serve it with chapathi, naan, dosa and even with rice. This is very delicious. You have to try this recipe. Surely you will love this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you with another recipe. Bye.